What's up YouTube fam? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Today's video is for all my long-haired hippies out there. I'm gonna show you 5 different tips that I use every day and every week to keep my hair looking as fresh as possible, guys. So here's 5 different ways to keep that mane looking fresh. Number 1 is to have a good conditioner, guys. It's definitely important to shampoo your hair. I only shampoo my hair about once or twice a week, and then the rest of the week use a good conditioner to make sure your hair is silky smooth and looking fresh all week. Especially if you have curly, frizzy hair, guys. Keeping it moisturized and having a good conditioner will always help your hair look fresh. Don't over shampoo your hair either, guys. If you shampoo it too much, especially with curly or frizzy hair, it's gonna be extra poofy, extra dry, and extra frizzy. Number 2 is coconut oil, guys. To always keep your hair moisturized, if you have a good conditioner and coconut oil, you're always gonna be set. If you forget to use conditioner that day, or that's the day that you shampoo your hair, or you find yourself with no shampoo or conditioner, coconut oil is a great way to go. Put a little bit on your hands, guys, rub it together, and put it right on the ends of your hair. You want to do the exact same thing with conditioner too, guys. To really moisturize your whole head of hair, you want to get it down here and not just up here. Coconut oil is a great natural product for your hair, your skin, and to eat, guys. Number 3, guys, is to always get regular trims. To keep your hair as healthy and fresh as possible, it's always important to get a fresh trim at least every couple weeks, if not once a month. This cuts away any split and dead ends at the end of your hair, keeping it as fresh, silky, and smooth as possible. Number 4, guys, is to use hair-safe hair ties. Now this means make sure you buy hair ties that are actually hair ties, and they have either fabric or some type of felt that go around the hair tie. You definitely don't want to use any rubber bands. Not using actual hair ties will definitely make your hair unfresh, damaged, and not looking as good as it should be. And last but not least, guys, number 5 is to always use a wet brush. Now a wet brush is a brand of brush specifically designed for your hair when it's wet, and it gets rid of any tangles, any knots, any dreadlocks. A wet brush is a great way to keep your hair looking fresh and smooth at all times. You can use it every day after you get out of the shower or anytime your hair is wet. All right, guys, those are my 5 tips for fresh, healthy hair. I'll be putting the links in the description below of where you can buy all my favorite hair products that I use on a daily basis. All right, guys, hope your hair is looking much fresher, more beautiful and elegant, and you'll be ready for your Pantene commercial here soon after this video. All right, guys, those are my 5 tips for fresh, healthy looking hair. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to leave a comment if this video helped you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button up top and click the bell for notifications so you can be the very first one to see all my new videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.